Be strong in bed even at 80. Simple energy mix for men. Want to boost your energy and stay strong even in your 80s? Let me show you a powerful yet simple natural energy mix that supports circulation, hormone balance, and overall wellness. We'll start with instant coffee. Add 2 teaspoons into a small bowl. Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah, a urological surgeon, sexologist, and men's health expert. My goal is to make men's health simple, practical, and backed by real science. If that sounds like something you're into, don't forget to like and subscribe. It supports the channel and keeps you in the loop with real, no-hype facts. Coffee isn't just for waking you up, it helps improve blood flow and gives your energy levels a real boost. That's why it can have a positive effect on men's vitality and stamina. Next, let's add honey, about 2 teaspoons. Honey is a natural aphrodisiac. It also strengthens the immune system, balances hormones, and is rich in zinc, which supports testosterone production, essential for men's health as we age. Mix the honey and coffee well until you get a smooth consistency. Now let's bring in a burst of freshness with a tangerine. Cut it in half and squeeze out the juice. You'll get around 25 milliliters. Tangerines are packed with vitamin C, which not only improves blood circulation and heart health but also boosts your mood by increasing endorphin levels. It's a perfect addition to this revitalizing mix. Pour the tangerine juice into the bowl with coffee and honey and stir thoroughly. The sweet and citrusy combination adds both flavor and health benefits. Next, we add one more powerful ingredient, fresh ginger. Cut a small piece into tiny cubes. Ginger is well known for stimulating circulation, fighting inflammation, and naturally energizing the body. Place the chopped ginger into a cup, then pour in the mixture of coffee, honey, and tangerine juice. Finally, top it all off with warm water, not too hot, just enough to blend the flavors. This simple drink is packed with natural goodness. It supports male health, boosts energy, and even improves mood. And yes, it tastes amazing too. Try it in the morning or before a workout and let your body thank you. Where are you watching from? Drop your country in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.